afternoon. This is Shevonne Sells Homes. I am in Port St. Lucie, Florida. I'm going to show this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, ranch-style home with a 3-car garage. Very spacious yard, lots of parking. Tile floors throughout. We've got formal living, formal dining in this home. Gorgeous kitchen. Newer appliances. Side-by-side fridge, sub-zero freezer, great size pantry. Very spacious living room. I like the open floor plan. The living room overlooks the patio, covered patio. Look at all the space back here, which opens out to little waterfront views. Most people have fenced their backyard in. This one remains open. Of course, if you have small children, you can fence that in. This property is located minutes from the highway. Shopping, dining, entertainment. Got recessed lighting throughout the home. Bedrooms are split. So you've got your master to my left here. You got your laundry room. Again, it's a 3-car garage. Nothing like a sink in the laundry room. Wash your delicates like that. Got your master suite. More than enough closet space. And of course, I love a good California closet. So you can definitely add the appropriate shelving in there. Okay, you got your dual vanity sink, your linen closet, huge shower. A really good size master suite. Okay. I really like what they did there. Carried the backsplash on the countertop. Got your secondary bedrooms over here. second bath. Again, storage linen closet. Nice tall ceilings. It's a very spacious open floor plan, priced right, just under $400,000. Lovely, lovely home indeed. Contact me for all your real estate needs, Florida and Georgia. Shevonne sells homes. I can be reached at 404-218-9089. You can schedule your complimentary real estate consultation on my website, ShevonneSellsHomes.com. Contact me for all your real estate needs, whether you're looking to buy or sell. Shevonne Sells Homes. If you are looking to purchase in the Florida, Georgia area or the surrounding areas, please contact me. I am happy to assist. Tell a friend, tell a family member, tell a coworker, tell everybody you know Shevonne Sells Homes. Have a great day.